This is the NutriBullet PRO, the nutrient extracting powerhouse designed for anyone looking to use the power of nutrition to improve their overall health and well-being. Just load your ingredients into the cup, attach the NutriBullet extractor blade, place it onto the power base, and in an instant, the NutriBullet PRO breaks down and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins, extracting those vital nutrients locked inside, giving you optimum nutrition in every smoothie. Then, just give it a quick rinse and you're ready to go again in seconds. The NutriBullet PRO's powerful 900-watt motor, combined with NutriBullet's exclusive cyclonic action, forces everything into the extractor blade, breaking down even the toughest ingredients, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet PRO comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade, a colossal 32-ounce cup, and 24-ounce cup. It also comes with a flip top to go lid, so your smoothie is ready to go whenever you are. The NutriBullet PRO is built to last, durable enough for everyday use, and protected by a full 1-year warranty. So whether you're looking to use nutrition to enhance your performance, give you that added boost in recovery, or just want to improve your overall health, transforming your life starts here. NutriBullet PRO.